$100 Million Day is a community of trial lawyers coming together to learn cutting-edge methods.
It's a day for plaintiffs, trial lawyers to come together in a community with people who share the same values that they do.
The people that should be attending this conference are people that want to work, that want to do the work, that are hungry, that want to make their practice better.
We're going to walk you through everything that worked for us for our $100 million case, and then give you tips for how you can implement that in your own practice.
We're going to do a deep dive into how we got a $100 million verdict. We're going to share our secrets. We're going to share the lessons we've learned.
There will be no filler. Every single minute is going to be jam-packed, full of content that we can give you to make an immediate difference in your practice.
We want you to leave the conference with at least $1 million in value to your existing cases. And if we can't deliver on that promise, we will give you your money back, no questions asked.
Our $100 million verdict was years in the making, and we're really looking forward to spending a day with each and every one of you, helping you get better as a trial lawyer and building community.